Okay, so now we're going to do your non-dominant hand, and since your non-dominant hand isn't as, it doesn't have the dexterity of your dominant hand, is that you're going to keep your hand, your polisher hand, still,
Okay.
and then you're going to basically move your polished hand around to see how you can get the edge of that abrasion. So that's really what you're looking for. You're wanting to, like, there you go. So you can really see it now coming up, and now you've got a really good handle on how much pressure to use. And so when you're starting to see it come up like that, you're getting really good pressure.
This is definitely easier than moving the tool on this hand.
Yeah. And so as you sort of see it collect your nail material, kind of wipe that off.
Okay.
Because it's when the polisher is actually cleaner, it gives you a smoother edge. So you just gotta consistently kind of keep it. There you go. Fantastic. There you go.
I'm sure it gets easier with time.
It definitely does get easier with time. It's definitely, because it's something you've just never done before, it definitely takes practice. But once you kind of get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. It's kind of like learning to file your nails for the first time.
Yeah.
My daughter is 12, and so I was teaching how to file her nails for the first time, which is interesting because it's so second nature, and when you just start out, you have to explain the mechanics of it. Let's take a look.
Oh yeah.
Oh, pretty.
So shiny.
Oh, it's so shiny.
Matching the other one now.
Excellent.
Wow. Yeah, there's a big difference. Wow.
Do you want to put a little bit of cuticle oil on there?
Yeah.
Excellent. Yeah, just kind of, as you begin to start to use the oil, I usually just really flood the nail until it no longer absorbs. So the skin is absorbing the oil, and you just keep going, keep applying. And this can actually be a number of times during the day. So if you're just starting out and your cuticles are very dry, this could be, 5-10 applications a day. But as your sort of oil and water balance becomes a little bit more equal, then you're only going to be applying it once a day for the most part. I mean, it's October, so you're going to have a little bit more, I think, moisture needed for the change of season, but yeah.
Amazing. And this one has a lovely smell, the citrine. Yeah.